In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export real-time chart data to CSV or Excel on TradingView. Many traders find that backtesting or performing deep statistical analysis requires more than just looking at a screen. By exporting your data, you can build custom spreadsheets, track performance, and run complex calculations that TradingView alone might not support. Whether you're a data scientist or a retail trader looking to organize your trade history, mastering this export tool is a game changer for your workflow. First, let's make sure you are properly set up within the platform. Log into your TradingView account and open the chart for the specific asset you wish to analyze. Whether you are looking at stocks, forex, or crypto, make sure that the ticker symbol is correctly loaded and showing the price action you are interested in. Once you are in the chart view, the next step is to set the chart to your desired time frame. This might be a 1 minute, 1 hour, or daily interval. This is a very important step because the export feature is context sensitive. The file you generate will only include data for the current interval you have selected. If you want high-frequency tick-style data, stay on the lower time frames. If you are looking for long-term trends, stick to the daily or weekly views. From there, you'll want to prepare your technical analysis for the export. Ensure any technical indicators, such as the Relative Strength Index, RSI, moving averages, or Bollinger Bands that you want to include in the data, are active and visible on the chart. When TradingView exports the data, it doesn't just grab the price, it also grabs the numerical values of the indicators currently plotted. If an indicator is hidden or not added to the chart, it won't appear in your final spreadsheet. Now, let's navigate to the actual export tool. Look at the toolbar located at the very top of your screen. To the right, you will see your layout name or the Save button. Right next to it, there is a small downward-pointing arrow icon. Click that arrow to open up a submenu of options related to your chart management. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Download Chart Data and click it. This will prompt a configuration dialog box to pop up in the center of your screen. In this Download Chart Data window, you have a few choices to make to ensure the data is usable for your specific needs. First, quickly confirm the chart name at the top of the box to ensure you're pulling from the right source. Next, you will need to choose your preferred time format. This determines how the timestamps will appear in your spreadsheet rows. For most users, I recommend selecting ISO for the time format. This provides a human-readable date and time, formatted as year, month, day, followed by the exact time. This format is easily recognized by Excel and Google Sheets without any extra conversion. However, if you are a programmer or using specialized backtesting software, you might prefer Unix, which provides a numerical timestamp in milliseconds. Once you have made your selection, look for the blue Download button at the bottom of the dialog box. Click it, and TradingView will immediately generate the file and download it directly to your computer as a .csv document. Finally, once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. You can now open it using Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or any other compatible spreadsheet software. You will see columns for the date, the open, high, low, and close prices, and additional columns for any indicators you had active during the process. To summarize, exporting data from TradingView is a simple but powerful way to take your market analysis to the next level. By following these steps, you can move your favorite setups into a spreadsheet for deeper study. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!